During World War II, the British concentrated its bomber manufacturing on the heavies, procuring medium bombers, like the Martin Baltimore, from overseas vendors. Yet in 1939, Bristol suggested a medium bomber variant of the Beaufighter to replace the aging Blenheim. Initially named the Beaumont, it was based on the rear fuselage and tail of a Beaufighter, with a new center and front fuselage, per Air Ministry specification B7/40. It was designed for a speed of 300 miles per hour at 5,000 feet, utilizing Bristol's Hercules engines. The armament was a mid-upper turret with 4 Browning 303 machine guns, with 4 more machine guns firing forward and 2 firing to the rear, and carried a load of 1,000 pounds of bombs. With a prototype build approved and construction started, in late 1940, the Air Ministry shifted its goalposts. Prompted by the performance of the U.S. aircraft like the Martin B-26 Marauder, a new Air Ministry specification B2/41, requiring a bomb load of 4,000 pounds, a speed of 360 miles per hour, and a range of 1,600 miles, was applied. Bristol responded with a redesign featuring Bristol Centaurus 4 engines, renaming the aircraft the Type 163 Buckingham. The bomb bay could now hold 4,000, 2 2,000, 4 1,000 or 6 500-pound bombs. The first flight took place on the 4th of February 1943, and its testing found it was quite unstable, leading to a twin fin tail assembly being adopted. A small order of just 400 units, starting deliveries in March 1943, really outlined the problem the Buckingham had. It was too late to the party. The highly effective de Havilland Mosquitoes had cemented its place as RAF Bomber Command's night bomber, a role it excelled in. Now the Buckingham was a solution looking for a problem. The initial order of 400 dropped to 300, and in January 1944 it was decided that all Buckinghams would be sent overseas to replace Vickers Wellingtons. But things got worse for the Buckingham. Its stability performance issues continued, leading to its cancellation in August 1944. Only 119 Buckinghams were built, and of those only 54 had been built as bombers. The remainder were converted for high-speed courier duties with RAF Transport Command. The gun installations were removed and 4 seats and windows fitted in the fuselage. A total of 65 Buckingham bombers were unfinished on the production line and ended up being rebuilt as the Buckmaster, a trainer for the Bristol torpedo bomber, the Brigand. In its reincarnated Buckmaster form, the Buckingham continued to serve with distinction as a high-performance trainer until its retirement in the mid-1950s. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this presentation, please give it a like, and if you want to see more like this, subscribe to the channel.